Cooking with children in schools promotes the lifetime skill of healthy cooking starting at young age. A California Department of Education survey indicates that 87% of 4 to 18 graders say that they cook and make some of their meals or snacks. However, those who lack healthy cooking knowledge may rely on packaged foods or prepared foods containing questionable nutrition value. Introducing healthy cooking in schools has many benefits. Children may try new and healthy foods. A kitchen is a learning lab for children that can involve all their senses. Children who cook at home indicate a sense of accomplishment, self-confidence, and feeling of contributing to their families. They spend time cooking instead of engaged in screen time. Children tend to skip less healthy prepared or processed snack foods as they prepare their own food more. Recent research indicates that nutrition knowledge may be incomplete without the experiential learning or hands-on activities associated with food preparation that involves handling food and cooking equipment. Children learn lifetime skills through practicing basic math skills such as counting, weighing, measuring, tracking time, etc. Teaching cooking to youth is an opportunity to teach nutrition education such as planning meals and make smarter food choices. Cooking can aid children in acceptance and responsibility. Cooking in schools can build positivity memories that promote future healthy, enjoyable cooking elsewhere. Children eat more fruits, vegetables after participating in culinary classes according to some research studies. Many research studies show improved changes in cooking culinary food safety, behaviors, and cooking self-efficacy. Other studies indicate that teaching nutrition education with food preparation in science class is more effective than in nutrition education sciences classes without food preparation. Many school faculty are beginning to embrace cooking to teach and promote healthier eating. To get started in your school, below are recommended web resources about cooking programs and curriculum occurring at public schools.